everyone, it's Marty from Down the Rabbit Hole Travel, coming at you from freezing, frigid, ice-cold Alberta. Guys, it was minus 38 yesterday morning when we got into the car. No joke. Because it's been so cold around here, I spent all day yesterday Googling trips, vacations, all-inclusive getaways, just to be anywhere but here. Somewhere with sun and sand and heat. As I was doing my research, I came across a website called hotelplanner.com, and the company asked me if I could do a review for them. After navigating through the website a bit, I discovered that it's a really awesome hotel planning site, and so I agreed to do the review. And that is this video right here, right now. So stick around, and I'm going to show you how to work this website, how to get the best deals out of it, and some other tips, tricks, and hacks about hotelplanner.com. Hey again, everyone. It's still me. I don't know about you, but it's been so cold here in Alberta. I've been trapped in the house with the kids for about 4 days, so I'm definitely ready for a vacation. And I legit spent the whole day yesterday Googling vacations. So full disclaimer, this is a paid promotional video, but this is a website that I have bookmarked on my own computer that I'm going to use over and over and over again because it's really good and it's got some little twists to it that I like more than the other hotel planning websites. And I have showed you guys websites on my channel before, and I only show you the websites that I think are awesome to help you with your travel planning, and this is one of them. So regardless of whether it's a paid promotion, this is a great website and I think you guys should try it. But instead of me just talking at you about it, how about I just show you? You can decide for yourselves. So let's get a clickin'. So here is the website, hotelplanner.com. The biggest thing you'll notice when you first log on is it really touts the whole group hotel rates, and I'm going to go over that closer towards the end of the review. But first, for me, for just like a travel vlogger, I'm going to want to look at just personally using the website for family vacations and solo vacations and things like that. So it's very similar to any other hotel site that you've used. You type in your destination. I would like to go to Jamaica, please. So we're going to click on Jamaica. We're going to choose our date range. So I know for me, my husband won't be able to get off work until like after tax season. So we'll go in May and we'll return also in May. Love to go for a whole month, but that's probably never going to happen. I'm just going to choose other because it's not a group. Rooms per night. I'm just going to need one by myself. Ideal star rating, I don't know, 3 to 5. I probably don't want to stay in a 1-star place. And a suggested budget range. Where should we send the quotes? This is where you're going to give your name and your email. And so how this works is this website actually sends your request for a hotel stay out into the space of internet. I don't know what it's called. I'm not a techie. And hotels will get that request and they'll actually start bidding for you to stay with them, which is why you start to get really good deals and really low rates because hotels are fighting for your business. Rather than just going to a hotel, calling to see if they have availability, and then you have to pay their flat rate that they give to everybody. This way, you're actually getting bid on, and lowest bidder gets your business. So it's a really good way to get a good deal. Press continue, and it's going to come up with a whole list of hotels that you can stay at. So you can apply for a bunch of discounts. If you're an AAA member in Canada, we call that CAA. You could get a senior discount. If you're in the military or you're a government employee, you can get military and government rates. If you're a business traveler, you can get a deal for that as well. So you just click on whatever deals apply to you. If I'm a travel vlogger, does that mean I'm a business traveler when I go on holiday? I'm going to click yes. And now we have found some really great places in Jamaica to stay at with some good rates. It's got the star review, it's got the property location, it's got the contact information obviously. So you scroll through, you find the one that you like, and then you would click continue. But you can sort your hotels with a bunch of different qualifications like amenities or price range or by review. So if you're looking for all 5-star reviews. But the cool thing I like about this is you can sort it by landmark. So if you're staying in a country and you have a specific location or a specific site that you really want to see, maybe you click on landmark and you can find a hotel that's really close to that. So we'll click on landmark. Dunn's River Falls, the most famous waterfall in Jamaica. So let's click that. We want to stay at a place that's close to Dunn's River Falls. And now they have popped up. Island Blues Cottage, Bay Point Dunn's River. So you scroll through, you could click on one if you really wanted to check it out. The Sky Castles is a good deal. So I'm going to click on more photos. So say I wanted this and I would click on continue and you would go on with your booking process. So it's very similar to a lot of other travel websites, but I really like that landmarks deal. And I really like it because you know for sure that you're within range of a place that you want to see. So that was one of the key things I really liked about hotelplanner.com and part of why I agreed to do this review. So just to continue on with the individual hotel booking, say we did pick this one, this Sky Castles one, I don't know. The average rating is 3.5 out of 5 based on 62 guest reviews. If you want to know why they got that rating, you scroll down. There's different room types. I like the studio one. It shows a map so you know exactly where your hotel is located. It shows what's nearby. So Dunn's River Falls, which is the landmark that I chose when I searched for hotels, is only 1.7 miles away, which is really nice. And you can actually go down and read some of the reviews. So amazing, lovely complex. You can see exactly why the hotel got the rating that it got. And I love looking at reviews when booking hotels because the reviews tell you a lot about a place. So anyways, if you want to book this one, choose the room that you want, click book now, then you put in your personal information, and bada bing, bada boom, you've got yourself a hotel for your vacation. I'm obviously not going to put my billing details and my information in this video for you, so you're out of luck for that. Okay, so the second part of this website, the one that really makes it like a cool site that goes above and beyond all the other hotel planning sites that I've seen, is the group planning tool. You can book for weddings, for bachelorette parties, for conferences, sports teams, things like that. And you can book multiple rooms, but you can have people pay individually for the rooms. So that's nice. You can be the group planner without having the full financial burden placed on you. So I'll show you how that works. If you look at the screen, you can slide down and it actually has a little video already made for you. So I won't explain it in too much depth because you could go to hotelplanner.com, check out the video, and then you would get like a full understanding of how the groups work. Let's take our travel vlogging conference, which doesn't exist, but we should make it happen, everyone. Let's take it down to Jamaica just for fun. And let's check in May 3rd and check out May 10th. We don't have to change any of the dates because this is all make-believe. And number of rooms. So do we want 200 people there? Sure. So we should probably block off 200 rooms. That seems like a lot. Let's go 50. So now we've got 50 rooms and we're going to go find hotels. So some of the perks of booking a group rate with hotelplanner.com, you get instant quotes. So once again, other hotels are competing against each other for your business. So they're going to start dropping their prices until you choose the lowest price for the best hotel that you think suits you. It's better than phoning a bunch of hotels and saying, do you have 50 rooms available and how much are they? And then you just get their flat rate. So this way you're getting bid on like a proper rock star. So you'll get the lowest group rate guaranteed. You get assigned a local planner. So someone will help you plan your event once you've chosen a hotel. You can get some free hotel room vouchers. So you, as the group leader, doing all this work, getting this whole group thing prepared, could get your hotel room for free and paying the hotel separately. So like I said, you don't have to put the $3,000 deposit down to save all of these rooms. People are going to be paying separately. So it's a nice system that they've got set up here. So I'm just going to scroll up. They're going to ask you for your group type just so that they know what they're working with. So we're doing our travel vlogger pretend convention. So I'm going to click on that. We'll need 50 rooms per night. We have a big budget span. We have an ideal star rating. I'm still going to go 3 to 5. I think that's the best one to do. So our prices went up a little bit. But you don't want to invite people to a travel blogging conference and then stick them in a 1-star hotel. And then once again, where should they send the quotes? You're going to give them your name and your email, and a bunch of hotels are going to pop up. Okay, so I entered my group information and my email and my name, and they just want a little more information before they find you your group quote. So what is the name of your event or group? Who would you like to see offers from? All hotels. I want the best deal out there, so I'm just going to look for all hotels. Room types, each room will be different. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, 50 rooms is a tall order, so I'm okay if the rooms are different. Can the group be split into more than one hotel? That's up to you. If you have like a smaller sports team, you're probably going to want everybody together. But if it's a bigger convention, I mean, if you have to split it between a couple hotels, there, we'll choose no more than 2 hotels. Do we need a meeting or banquet space? Sure, we're going to need some rooms. So what type? You get to choose how you want the hotel to set up your space, which is really cool. This is something extra that I have not seen on any other travel sites. So we're doing a convention. Let's do some seating like that maybe. Or probably not a U shape for 50 people. Boardroom. That's not going to fit 50 people. Theater. That's probably better. So we're looking for a hotel with some sort of theater space to fit 50 people. So I'm going to add 50 in here. So the minimum room size, because they have to stick to their fire codes and stuff, is going to be 450 square feet. Just for the first day. If it's a travel blogging conference, we're going to be out and about for the next 2 days. And the time, we'll go for 9 a.m. for 3 hours. I'll make everyone sit for 3 hours. Perfect. Then, do you want the hotel to provide any amenities during your conference? So do you want coffee and tea set up? Do your people need Wi-Fi? Probably yes. All of these things, air conditioning. Do you want the company to provide food? You click off what you need for your conference or your meeting or your presentation or whatever. You can even attach documents to have things sent to the hotel that you eventually choose. Like, this website has thought of it all. So when I told you I only show you websites that I believe in, this is a cool website. So click add to my request. Any additional requests if you want anything else? Do you want all the towels folded like swans? I don't know. Whatever. Provide your phone number if you're a travel agent, which I'm not, and press continue. Okay, so I entered my phone number. I put a little note for them not to call me because this is just a review. But you're going to get hotel property managers starting to contact hotelplanner.com, who will then give you the information. You can contact the hotel yourself. Next, we'll view some hotels, and here's some of the ones that have come back with possible spaces for your conference. So there's some of the possibilities for our blogging pretend conference in Jamaica, all having some of the requirements of what we requested. The club ambiance, all-inclusive, adults only, has 85 sleeping rooms. That's going to fit everybody. It has 2 meeting spaces. It has a banquet space for up to 100. It's perfect. If we were really doing this, guys, that's one I might click on. That is the group hotel planning tool that is part of hotelplanner.com. And I think it's just an awesome tool. And one last thing I wanted to show you about this website is the extended stay rates. If you go up, you can click on, hotel deals, group hotel rates, and extended stays. So extended stays are if you are planning on doing some work in the area. So as a travel blogger, maybe I'm going to spend a month in an area and just see all there is to see while I'm there. Or if you're part of a work crew or, whatever, and you need to stay longer than just a couple of nights, you can actually plan an extended stay with the hotel, and you can get some really good deals and rates through this tool. So what cities and dates are you considering? So my destination, so we're going to Jamaica. We're going to check in May 8th. We're going to check out June 19th. That's 42 nights. I'm pretty sure that would be considered an extended stay. Number of rooms, I just want 1. Let's go with, a king bed. How wonderful. And 2 to 4 star. It's a work trip. We don't need it to be very fancy. So now they're going to do that thing they do where they send out bids to all the different hotels, and the hotels are going to compete for your business. All in all, whether you're planning on doing an individual or family stay, or you're planning a group vacation somewhere with a sports team or a bachelorette party or something fun like that, or if you have to go away for work, if you're a travel blogger and you need to stay somewhere for a month, this is an awesome site to get you the best deals out there on hotels in your destination. I actually want to thank the company for asking me to do a review on this website, because it is now my new favorite hotel planning website, and like I said, it's bookmarked on my computer and I plan on using it repeatedly in the future. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little tour of the website. And if you plan on using this in the future, leave a comment below and let me know where your next destination is and if you're going to use hotelplanner.com to get you there. I have to admit, I enjoyed making this review. I felt like a true professional travel vlogger. If you enjoyed the review, please leave a big thumbs up and feel free to share this video to anyone who might need help planning their trip. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button to become part of my travel community.